Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming the pencil model and making sure it has power. This matters because pairing differs by generation. Once charged, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your iPad and that you're logged into your Apple ID for full features. Next, position the pencil where pairing happens. Either plug the first generation into the Lightning port or attach the second generation to the iPad's magnetic edge. After that, watch for the pairing prompt and tap Connect to proceed. You'll pair and configure the pencil so it behaves the way you expect. Once paired, go to Settings Apple Pencil to set double-tap actions, enable or disable features, and review battery level. Make sure to test pressure sensitivity and tilt in Notes or a drawing app. This helps you learn how much pressure produces thin versus thick lines. If you use gestures, practice double tap and palm rejection to avoid accidental marks. Keep experimenting until the tool feels natural in your hand. Finish by confirming storage and maintenance routines so the pencil lasts. Attach it to the magnetic strip when idle or use a cap for the Lightning plug and keep spare tips on hand. If the pencil stops working, restart your iPad first, then unpair and repair via Bluetooth, check the battery level, and try a tip replacement to rule out wear. If issues persist, test with another iPad to isolate hardware versus software problems. This sequence narrows down the cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.